Hello and welcome back to ECS Coffee. My name is Rebecca and today we are going to be unboxing the new La Specialista Opera. Not Nuova, like the box says. It is the La Specialista Opera. So we were sent this model a little early from DeLonghi to review it for you guys at home. And so we're not too sure why it says Nuova on the front, but it is the Opera inside. So let's take it all out, see what comes with it, and show the machine. All right. Well, it's a massive, massive box. So you of course have your user manual in here. We'll just set that off to the side for now. You'll want to keep that on hand so that you can set the machine up properly. We're going to have our accessories box. Now, again, kind of an early model of the machine. The accessories boxes normally look nicer than this one. So we've got our portafilter. Very nice. So it's got a dual spout. The spouts seem a little bit nicer than DeLonghi's typical portafilters, which is great. Okay, I'm gonna put that back in. I have another basket here with my cleaning disc that I would need for back flushing the machine. Cleaning brush, this is for my steaming wand. A milk pitcher. Ooh, this is a nice milk pitcher actually. Yeah, okay, very nice. Milk pitcher. And some more baskets in this little box here. So this is probably our dual wall baskets, if I'm going to guess. So that will help to increase pressure in the machine. So you'll use the dual wall baskets with your pre-ground espresso, not when you're using the grinder. I do know that there's a nice upgrade to this grinder, so I'm very excited about that. Okay, so accessories. Aha, very nice. And now let's take out the machine. So a little bit of cardboard on top. And the machine is all wrapped up. So I'm actually gonna just take the box down so I can lift the machine up and out of the box safely. So. There we go. Okay. So this is the new DeLonghi La Specialista Opera. It is coming soon, so it is releasing sometime in March. If you're watching this video before it's been released, just stay tuned because it'll be releasing soon. So we do have a few upgrades on this machine. We have additional grind sizes added to the grinder. So we have 15 grind sizes now instead of the usual 8. We have an upgraded portafilter as well, so I did note that just ahead of time. It's improved in the design, especially within the spouts. We have 2 new beverages added. We have cold brew and espresso cool. We also have its full stainless steel body and an improved steam on, so it's going to be more powerful to be able to produce better microfoam. So this machine is going to retail around $1,200 Canadian. We still have the assisted tamping handle here for you to have consistent tamping pressure. You have your dial on the front to monitor the espresso extraction. And you have the knob on the side here for activating the steam wand, dosing function on the front. Yep, all of it is very, very easy to read and use. Drop-down tray for your little espresso cups if you're using a smaller mug. And you do have a separate hot water spout for your Americano, or if you were just getting hot water for other uses, tea, instant noodles, anything like that. You have a large, around 2-liter water tank on the back. So it is removable. You can pull it up, fill it at the fridge, and you have around a 200-gram bean hopper up here. This is where you're going to use to adjust your grind size. And yeah, I'm very excited to use this machine and to get it set up. So stay tuned for our full review of this machine. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We're so excited to have this machine launch and to use this machine and for it to get onto the market with all of its amazing upgrades. If you want to watch our full review of this unit, and we have released it, it will be just up in this top corner here, so you can click the link to watch the full review of this machine. We'll see you next time. Cheers.